This is a really interesting point, actually. It's only ever happened to me once, I think, in 20 years. And that was when I had a client that was so full of gas that we just spent the whole session just getting air out of them. And that particular client used to drink an awful lot of fizzy water, and that's all they would drink. So the problem with that is that they were just accumulating lots of gas. The good news is that once you get the gas out, hopefully the bloating will have reduced. So that's always a good thing. And with this particular client, when he went home, his partner thought they'd had liposuction that day because he'd lost a good few inches off his tummy once all that air had come out. So there was a lot of bloating. So it's not always about the weight loss, it's about the shape change as well. So hopefully you've had a little bit of shape change with all of that gas coming out. As therapists, we can vary the temperature of the water that's going into you, and we make it a little bit cooler if we can feel a lot of gas in there, and then that will help to bring that gas out, and then we can warm the water up a little bit to soak into that poo. So yeah, unfortunately, sometimes it does happen that we just get gas coming out, but as long as it's a reasonable amount and it needs to come out, we are removing stuff from the bowel. So hooray. And you must have felt a lot better for having got all of that air out. I hope that explains it a little bit.